So I'm gonna try this garlic trick.
What?
I'm recording video. Okay.
Working?
So it looks like all the garlic peels kind of definitely works the first step. Must work the second step because this one is totally peeled. And let me just clean this area really quick. So second round. Second round, yeah, I would say it works pretty well because just look at all that. Basically all peeled, except for this one. It wasn't too bad, but oh, can you see? So just look at all that there. That got peeled just from shaking it in a mason jar. That's pretty awesome. Great tip. Hope you enjoyed the video.